Hey guys, what's up? Today we're talking about the 2025 first time ever Mustang GTD. But before we dive into this Mustang that's been transformed into a supercar, let's talk about the significance of the Mustang itself. The Mustang is an iconic vehicle in Ford's stable. It's not the only one, but it's definitely mind-bending in how it has changed not only car culture but also people's culture and how they experience the automobile. Born in 1964 and a half, it made its debut at the New York World's Fair. And now here we are many decades later unveiling a Mustang that nobody could have ever dreamed was possible. Now this vehicle, being a model year 2025, is still a little bit out, but it's going to be a similar process to obtain one of these as compared to the outgoing Ford GT supercars. What does that mean? Can you just go down to your Ford dealership, put a deposit down, and pick one of these up? No, it doesn't work that way. You're going to have to apply to receive the ability to get an allocation to purchase one of these and have it in your possession. But what I want to find out is, has Ford taken this Mustang to the supercar level to compete with the likes of the Mercedes-AMG, the Porsche 911 GT3 and GT3 RS, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Aston Martins? Let's dive in and find out. Right off the bat, the attention to detail on the exterior is mind-blowing, and none of it is just for show. This is definitely a show with a ton of extra go. At the front, you'll see a wider track and a wider body. A lot of people like to personalize and customize their Mustangs, and you'll be able to do that through the application process by picking out the details of color, interior choices, and more. But guess what? The majority of this Mustang GTD is made out of carbon fiber entirely, so those massive fender flares and venting are not just for aesthetics, they're there for aerodynamic efficiency. The Mustang GTD is based on the race car that Ford will be racing in series like the IMSA WeatherTech series in the GTD class. That's why they call it GTD, Grand Touring Daytona or Gran Turismo Daytona. It's also going to be racing in series around the world, such as the World Endurance Championship, WEC. This is a race car that has been taken to the next level because there is no rule book for what you can enjoy on your favorite twisty roads, track days, or even just cruising to Cars and Coffee events. The front design of the 2025 Mustang GTD is a marvel of modern engineering. Drawing inspiration from its race car origins, the aerodynamics have been meticulously crafted to ensure maximum performance. The aggressive front fascia, with its bold lines and intricate details, not only looks stunning but also serves a functional purpose. The large air intakes and sculpted hood work together to optimize airflow, reducing drag and increasing downforce. This ensures that the Mustang GTD remains stable at high speeds, providing an exhilarating driving experience. The advanced aerodynamics are complemented by state-of-the-art materials, including lightweight carbon fiber, which enhances both performance and efficiency. Underneath the vehicle you have active shutters for efficiency in downforce, not fuel. The drag reduction system and active rear wing are technologies that race cars can't use due to regulations, but this street-legal car can. Every element of the front design has been carefully considered, from the sleek headlights to the aerodynamic mirrors, making the Mustang GTD a true masterpiece of automotive design. Under the hood is a 5.2-liter supercharged V8, producing over 800 horsepower. It features a dry sump oil system to prevent oil sloshing and starvation during high G-forces on tracks or twisty roads. Moving to the wheels and tires, this Mustang features 20-inch magnesium wheels with Michelin high-performance Cup 2R tires, and behind them are carbon ceramic rotors. The adaptive suspension with dual spool valve technology developed by Multimatic allows the ride height to be adjusted based on the mode you select. The side profile reveals more aerodynamic features with carbon fiber construction, including a carbon fiber roof to lower the center of gravity. The rear features a transaxle and 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and 345 width tires for maximum grip. The rear of the car showcases a swan neck design wing with active aero technology for optimal downforce and drag reduction. The titanium exhaust system from Akrapovic adds to its performance and sound. Inside, The Mustang GTD features recycled titanium pieces from F-22 Raptors, adding to its uniqueness. The pushrod suspension system in the rear, typically found in Le Mans prototype cars, is another highlight. The attention to detail, engineering, and design make this Mustang GTD a pinnacle of Mustang performance. Let me know in the comments if you consider this Mustang GTD a supercar. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for being part of the Dream Rides family. See you on the next ride.